same one you came up. Yes, just keep pressure on it, and you push more if you need to stop more, and let up if you want to go a little faster. Well, when I go down the bridge, I want to get in front of him. Or unless you want to get, all I want you to do is just get in front of him if you need to slow him down. Oh my goodness. I don't want to get ahead yet. Sorry, Eddie. What? What? So remember, we're going to use our brakes, Colton. We're going to press backwards a little bit. Just to stay under control. No, Colton. Colton, this isn't a big hill. See, Colton, I have my brakes on. Yeah, don't pedal, brakes. Yeah, brakes. Don't pedal. If you pedal, you're going to go faster. Just keep doing that. And you did too much brake. Eddie, brakes. Brakes, not feet. Eddie, there you go. Brakes, not feet, honey. Brakes. You gotta get your pedals. No, you're gonna get your pedals. See that? You can't push down enough. Here, go forward a little bit. Pedal just a little bit. Other foot. So it's going forward. Other foot. Pedal. Okay, now put your left foot on. Now put your left foot, and now you can stop on your brake. Okay, but don't pedal. Okay, brake, brake. Use your handbrakes too, Eddie. There. See? Don't worry. I'm using my handbrakes. And you use your right leg to push backwards. You got it. And now go fast, Eddie, because we're going to go back up the hill. So we used our downhill to let's go up this hill. Love you too, cutie. Thank you for listening back there. Now we have a big hill to go up. Can you make it up this hill? Or do you want to walk it? You want to walk it?